Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So let's start. So in our last video, we have covered that field creation, field customization. So in our today's video, we are going to start with Suite scripting, additional customization, automation. When what where we can see that. So, why do we use Suite scripting and how to use and what are the use? So, let's understand what is the Suite scripting. So, Suite scripting is a language like it's based on JavaScripting. That's a completely fully scripting code that is scripting language that enables developers to customize and extend that functionality of NetSuite. The cloud-based ERP enterprise resource planning systems. SuiteScript allow business to automate the process, automate the process, create custom workflow, integrate with external system, and tailor NetSuite to meet specific business needs. SuiteScript operates within the NetSuite environment, giving developers the ability to manipulate and manage record, handle data transformation, automate transaction, or interact with user interface. SuiteScript is highly flexible and can be used to build a wide range of custom application that integrate seamlessly into the NetSuite system. So basically, scripting help us to automate that business process. For example, we have invoice flow. So in the invoice flow, we are pulling some from somewhere like an external system. So we can use a suite script to automate that. So whenever the system on other system will create invoice, and then the same time it will reflect to the NetSuite also. So that we can call as the integrations. So or else suppose we are tracking something, some we are using some fields to automate we are tracking to some additional field we want to build a track build quantity. So by using suite script we can do that. So whenever transaction will be create and some quantity will be built, so that custom field will automatically update. For example, we want to send that invoice to the customer, so we can use a suite script to automate that process. So we whenever that due date will come, or we can schedule that script. We have different type of script, so we can schedule that script. So based on that schedule time, so it will send the to that reminder email to the customer to if that invoice is due or overdue. So these kind of things we can follow, or we can follow that approval process by using customization. So if you are following that approval process, then we can use our flow to do that. If we are making any payments or something, then we can use SuiteScript. So SuiteScript operates within the NetSuite environment, it giving developers the ability to manipulate. Okay. These are the some key characteristic of SuiteScript. Uh, like JavaScript-based SuiteScript is built on JavaScript, making it easy for developer familiar with the language to start customizing NetSuite. Like it's cloud-based. SuiteScript runs directly in the NetSuite environment, meaning there is no need for additional installation or complex infrastructure. Access to NetSuite data. SuiteScript allows developers to programmatically access and modify NetSuite records, transaction, and other system data. So, if we are talking about that real world example, so for instance, a company may want to automatically generate purchase order based on inventory levels, or create custom alerts when certain condition are met in sales transaction. This suite script would be able to enable the development of a script to automate the process, improving efficiency or reducing human error. Or it will always useful when we are automating the business process, because it is saving that a lot of time for the user. If you are thinking about user prospects, so it will give a best result or best relief to that user. So who is doing that manual process like creating the manual purchase order, manual sales order, and they're say doing uh, something. So like that, then we can easily do that. So for that, so this is that process use business benefit of automating the business process. So user will save a lot of time and user can easily uh, reduce the human error in the sense like we sometimes we are doing some mistakes, so those kind of mistakes we can avoid. So here version of scripting, so there are like different kind of version in the script, so based on that upgrade its system changes the version there. So So SuiteScript has evolved over time with the two main versions, SuiteScript 1, SuiteScript 2.0. And the SuiteScript 2.0 this is the newer version that introduction several improvements in terms of modularity, use functionality. Let's compare both like SuiteScript 1 and legacy version. SuiteScript was the original version used for customizing automating tasks in NetSuite global API. In the API 1.0, many functions were accessible globally, making it less structured and harder to maintain. Less modular SuiteScript 1.2 script often required managing large amount of code within the single script. Limited features. It did not have all the advanced feature capabilities that Script 2.0 have offers. So like some of the features like that API has not other access like they cannot use it's like we can say it's a we have added and they have added provided a new features in that upcoming videos upgraded version. So this not upgraded, so that is old version and still we can use, but we don't have more features in that old version API. So that's the reason it's upgraded with a new version. So in SuiteScript 1.0, creating a custom form for workflow would require writing a large block of code for each process, making debugging and maintaining maintenance for they say more challenging. So in upcoming videos, upgraded version now they are using to automate the business process. So let's understand the SuiteScript 2.0 modular API it introduces a modular architecture where developers can load individual modules based on that functionality they need. So that will be reduce the burden of that module. So we don't need to load all the modules. So only we can use to load our required module. So what we'll discuss about module as well. So asynchronous execution, asynchronous better support for asynchronous execution, improving the performance and responsive. So you can run the parallelly improved governance. So Script 2.0 introduces better governance control to prevent hitting system limitation and so modern JavaScript features like SuiteScript 2.0 leverage modern JavaScript standards including promises, modules, and improving improved error handling. So advanced integration it invented extended the features like SuiteScript 2.0 makes it easier to integrate with external systems such as by using APIs. They are provided APIs. So features also we can use API of handling HTTP request and response based on request. For example, a developer creating a custom workflow in SuiteScript can load a specific module for each task, like module record, m/record, and so search instead of using monolithic code base. So this improves both performance and maintainability. These are that version differentiate we can have. So what are the use case of that scripting? Suite script can be used for variety of purpose across the different areas of NetSuite. Below are some key use case where Suite script plays the critical role in enhancing NetSuite functionality. Automatic business process. SuiteScript is frequently used to automate repetitive tasks such as creating transaction, updating records, or sending in notifications. So by scripting this process is possible. So businesses can save time, reduce error, and improve overall efficiency. For example, a company can use SuiteScript to automatically generate invoice when a sales order is marked as fulfilled. This eliminates the need of manual intervention and ensure that invoices are created properly. So custom user interface. When you're talking about custom user interface, SuiteScript can be used to create custom form interface within the NetSuite. This allows businesses to tailor their system to their specific workflows and make data entry and retrieval more efficient. So by using SuiteScript, also we can design that UI level form like custom form as well. So data integration with the external system. What does it mean? So NetSuite can be integrated with external systems using SuiteScript. This includes synchronizing data with third-party tools, transferring information between database, or interacting with external APIs. For example, if you see like take an example, a retail code we use SuiteScript to integrate NetSuite with external payment gateway, inventory management system, ensuring that update to payments or stocks level are automatically reflected in NetSuite. So custom workflows and APIs with Suite businesses can build custom workflows and trigger that to suit their needs. This can include sending notification, triggering events based on the specific conditions such as customizing how record are processing. So in that said, they see that yeah, they see that just it was an introduction to SuiteScript, how we can use SuiteScript, where we can start. So this was just an overview of SuiteScript definition. We cannot say that. So in our next video, we'll do that next feature, like how what are the required feature, what we have to enable to start that suite scripting, what are the permission to access that suite script module. We can develop that suite script and where we can develop the suite script. In our next video we are going to learn that. So this is our just overview of now. Just we have started. In our upcoming video we are going to learn step by step type and version and module, each and everything we are going to learn. So for today that's it for as of now. So let's see in our next video in the remaining part. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and put your comment in the comment section to send us the messages what you are thinking about that. And please hit the bell icon button so you can receive that our latest videos when we are uploading that. And don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for, okay, happy learning. Thank you.